Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for coming. If you're old, thank you for coming back. Okay, so this company right here sent me an email saying that they wanted me to install one of their platinum blonde wigs. I responded back, okay, no problem. Send the wig and the funds now. Cause baby, the bills are due now, not tomorrow, not the next day, today. Okay, so they sent me the funds, and I said, okay, let's get to work. So that's what we did. I didn't want to put on my head and install on my head, so why not go to the next best person? My mama. Yeah, she gonna be my model for this video. So, as I was saying, they did tell me the details of this wig. This wig is synthetic. Unlike the other people that didn't tell me the other wig was synthetic, these people actually told me it was synthetic. It was a really good quality synthetic wig, you know what I'm saying? Has good lace, a really, really, really good HD lace on it, like chef's kiss kind of lace, So yeah, this is a really good and synthetic wig. I mean, if you want it, y'all can come get it if y'all want it for a small fee, a real small fee, because I'm not gonna wear it. So if you're watching this video, you want it, just hit me up, okay? Thanks in advance. But yeah, just watch the video.
Somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when you speak. You understand what my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. Yeah. You come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. When I see you, when I see you, I scribble X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. myself in the zone. Get nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I don't wanna know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy boy, so sexy boy. I don't know, I can around you.
The kind of girl that you could be down